So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your bio on your Moomoo account in the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the bottom right and press on the Me icon. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom to where it says Settings. Then at the top where it says Moomoo Account, press on that. Now where it says bio right here, I want you to press on that as well. Then once you're here, you actually can, do your bio for whatever you want. So you have 120 characters to work with, so you can type in whatever you want. Then once that is done, go to the top right and press on save, and then you can now edit your bio at your disposal. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit your bio on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.